Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking yakisoba, or Japanese fried noodles. So let's start cooking. First, we're going to pan fry the seafood first. Heat up a pan, add in some oil. Swirl the oil around, make sure that the pan is coated with the oil. We'll start with pan frying the prawns first. This is approximately 150 grams of prawns, deshelled, and I've taken out the black veins inside here like this. So I'm going to pan fry this first. Now some of you might ask, do I overcook the prawns if I were to fry them now and then I'm going to fry them again with the noodles? My answer to this is no, we are just going to cook this until approximately 80% done. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want them to cook evenly. So a little bit of time on each side. When the prawns turn red, on one side you can actually turn them over to the other side. Prawns cook pretty fast, so you don't have to leave them long in the wok or in your pan. Look at the beautiful color. The prawns are almost done. Let's just push it one side and we'll add in squid, cleaned and washed. This is 120 grams of squid. Squid cook very fast too. So just a couple of seconds or minutes on each side will be fine. They're almost done, so I'm removing them from heat now and set them aside. Next, we are going to fry the onions and the vegetables. Put in some oil. One medium-sized yellow onion, sliced thinly like this. Just move them around until they turn translucent. This is a very easy dish to do. You can put in whatever vegetables or seafood or meat that you have inside your fridge. Very easy. Once the onion has started to turn translucent, it's time to add in the carrots. 120 grams of carrots sliced. Thinly like this. Put them in. I'm putting quite a fair bit of vegetables inside here because I like this dish to be healthy. Okay. I'm also adding in right now 120 grams of cabbage, Beijing cabbage, cut into pieces like this. Smells really good even right now. Now depending on how soft you want your vegetables to be, you can add in your noodles now or at a later stage. It's really up to you. So when the veg has softened up a little bit, you can add in your noodles now. These 420 grams of yellow noodles. You can get any noodles that you like, but yellow noodles is the closest that I can find for this yakisoba dish. Just put everything in. Look at the beautiful colors. We're adding the seasoning now. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. 1 tablespoon HP sauce. You can, if you don't have HP sauce, you can use Worcester sauce or even A1 sauce. 1.5 tablespoon of Japanese light soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of sugar, as well as half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm also adding in 85 milliliter of water. So all you have to do now is just to stir them up nicely and make sure that they are mixed well. Once you mix them up well, you can add in your seafood, the prawns and the squid. This is going to be so good. Look at how colorful this dish is. Make sure you mix them up well. Now before we dish this out, we like to have a taste to make sure that it's savory enough for us. Really good. Okay, time to dish this out now. This is the yakisoba that we have cooked today, so let's just have a taste. Very flavorful, definitely very healthy. I can feel the crunch of the vegetables as well as the freshness of the seafood. Really good. If you like yakisoba, like us, I hope you try our recipe I'm sure you enjoy this dish. Do click like on our video. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.